back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY coffee bar wall sign. And this is not a Dollar Tree DIY, but this is a mixture of few items. I'll be leaving links to all the items I have used in this video down in the description box. You guys can go ahead and buy from there, or you can use any other sites to buy as well. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just begin with the video. So for this project, you need is 8 by 10 canvas and black and brown acrylic paint. You can use a wooden board as well, but I wanted something lightweight, so I used the canvas. So the painting need not be perfect. You can just give one coat just to cover the surface of the canvas. Once that is done, these are the letters I'm using. So this actually has the letters COFFEE and BAR. That's like coffee bar. Those are the letters I picked up from Michael's. I'll leave a link to this in the description box. You have to just paint this brown. So give it a 2 layers of the coat just to cover the white part, and seal it with the sealant. I'll leave a link to the sealant as well down in the description for you guys to go ahead and check it out. And do this to all the letters and let them dry completely. So once the canvas is dry, take these novel paper or any magazine paper and tear the edges as shown. So once you finished tearing off the edges, I'm using the Decor method to stick all my um, papers to the canvas, and again let them dry. I have also used a little bit of normal glue just so that the paper can stick perfectly without any air bubbles, and let them dry completely. So whatever the white residue you're seeing here will go off once they dry. So now I'm taking this paper napkin which I had shown in the Dollar Tree haul. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link down there. You guys can go ahead and check it out. So I'm just separating the layers of this paper napkin and just using the top layer of the paper napkin. I'm just randomly tearing off triangles from this and decoupaging it to the corners diagonally. If that makes any sense. It's just a very easy process. And again, before doing anything on top of this, please let them dry completely. So once they are dry, this is how it should look. They look very vibrant once they are dry. And now I'm using this jute rope and attaching uh, from the from there till the end of this paper napkin corner. Again, if that makes any sense, just follow the process what I'm showing here. If there is any canvas showing while you glue this jute rope, don't worry about it. It just gives a very rustic look. Um, if you want, you can actually cover it with one more layer of rope, but I felt like this is enough, and I also wanted some space in between to attach those letters as well. I'm using this moss. Again, these are from Dollar Tree and Michael. I'll leave a link down to the Michael moss down in the description. So I'm just using this to attach on the corners of the paper napkin. Again, you can leave it as it is or use the moss or any other material here. I wanted to have that kind of foresty look. That's the reason I added here. And also have added some vines to the rope as well so that it looks very foresty style. And also I'm attaching the coffee bar letters to the canvas. Also using some of the moss on top of the letters as well. So you can totally skip it or use it. I just had the leftover moss. I just want to use used up, and also they look really good. And yeah, this is how it should look. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. If you ever recreate this DIY, please tag me on the Instagram at simply DIY, which I'll be leaving down here and also in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check it out. And also like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, with that being said, you guys have a great day and a happy new year to all. Bye.